Hello everyone, we are grade 7.
And I'm the teacher of grade 7. So today we will discuss about human heart. So my students will teach you what human heart is. So what is this human heart?
Human heart is a pumping organ that pumps blood in our body.
Okay, so this is an organ that pumps blood in our body. What else?
Show you human heart.
Okay, so this is human heart. That's great. You guys also see the human heart. This is human heart inside.
Let's open it and see what's inside.
Oh, it opens as well. Wow, what's inside? Girls, look. What's inside? Who's gonna tell me that what is inside? You gonna tell me? Okay, tell me what is inside.
Inside heart, it has 4 chambers. Upper 2 chambers are called arteria and lower 2 chambers are called ventricle.
Okay, so upper 2 chambers are arteria and lower 2 chambers are ventricles, as you guys can see this. So, who's gonna tell me what is the size of our heart? Okay, you're gonna tell me. Okay, tell me what is the size of our heart?
The size of our heart, the size of our fist.
Can you guys show me your piece? Okay, so this is our size of heart.
Thank you so much for watching us.
Bye bye.